Welcome back, guys, to Crazy Hobbies Down Under. And on this episode, we'll be checking out this little beast, which is from Horizon Hobby, the Proboat Sprintjet 9-inch pool racer. Looks very promising. I reckon this is probably going to be the best pool racer out there due to the perfect size and sharp turning. And let's not forget the jet pump propulsion system, no propeller. So let's quickly unpack it, see what you get, and go from there. Alright, so these bad boys will come in two colours. They will come in a silver and a blue, and they'll retail for just around $120. That's complete with everything. And this is a blue one. Got the boat. Pretty cool blue. Radio. It comes in two pieces. And slide in. 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip. Nothing. And let's see what you get in here. Alrighty, so boat stand for your boat, so we're not using it. Whack it on there, looks pretty cool. USB charger for your LiPo battery. AAA batteries for your radio. And your good old LiPo battery for your boat. 7.4 volt, 600 milliamp, EC3 connector. And also, when you get out of the box, guys, you will still need to put the decals on. So that's a bit of fun for you. All right, let's quickly check out the boat. So just regarding the mini Sprintjet boat, they will come in two colors, a gray and a blue. Retail for around $120, complete with everything. There is nothing else needed. The cool thing about the boat, it does have a self-righting system, so if the boat tips over, it will automatically roll back. And like I said, it's really safe with the jet pump propulsion system because it has no propeller, so when it's zipping around the pool, if it touches someone, it's not going to do any damage. The actual length on the boat, it's about 9 inches long. And for our Aussie viewers, it's about 23 centimeters long. So let's quickly open this little bugger up and see what's inside. So just over here, the latch, just turn the latch and she'll open up. There's not much to see inside, so we'll just quickly show you. Alrighty, you got your electronic speed controller, which is here. On-off switch is here. I've put a little water cover on that, a little water jacket, so it doesn't get damaged easily. On your ESC, guys, sorry about that, you will get an EC3 connector. You got your little standard servo there, micro servo for the rudder, and your motor's just over here, which is a 390 size, and it's brushed. And your battery will just sit right over here to the left, and that's it, guys. I wanted to do a quick comparison with the two Pro boats. I have played with both, and yeah, you got the Jet Gem over here and you got the Sprintjet 9-inch. Now guys, if you have a pool at home and it's not too big, I'd highly recommend going with the Sprintjet 9-inch. It has a tighter turning circle, a better turning circle compared to the Jet Gem. So yeah, it'll be more maneuverable in your pool. The Jet Gem, it's really for nicer, bigger open areas. It's a little bit faster. So yeah, for pool guys, Sprintjet 9-inch is the one that you want. We've deckled up one, and this will be our test boat. We're going with the grey. So there's a grey one here for you guys. We've deckled it all up, and it looks bloody awesome. So check that out. Yeah, look pretty cool. Let's talk battery and charger on the little Sprintjet 9-inch. So that's your battery there. You can buy spares. We'll put the part number on the screen for you. We'd highly recommend going for the exact one, guys. If you get a different one, you might unbalance the boat. So grab your spares. Just a quick tip on every boat. This balance lead right here, what you want to do is, you just want to get like a little saddy bag, slip it over here, and just put an elastic band on that. So at all times, regarding any boat, you want to keep that away from water. If any water gets in here, you won't be able to charge it, and these little things are a nightmare to change over. So be very careful with that. Now your charger, so USB, let's have a look. There we go, flashing green is charging, solid red is standby, and solid green charge complete. It's going to take roughly around half an hour to 40 minutes to charge your battery up, and you will get 9 to 12 minutes runtime. When you're finished playing with the boat, guys, very, very important, don't let it completely die off. As soon as you get loss of power, immediately unplug your battery. Do not leave your battery plugged into the boat, or else you will kill it. All inside the box, you'll get your 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip controller, AAA batteries for your radio, the boat itself, the stand, USB charger, and your LiPo. Everything's in there.